Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by copying images just like this one here, and I'm going to show you how you can do that the legal way. But it is really important to follow exact steps that I'm going to show you in this video, and also it is really important to listen to my tips and advices so you know why you have to do that this way. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, if you can make these images by yourself, that is by far best option, but I'm guessing that most of you can't. So what you can do is you can simply come on a website called Pexabay, and then here in search bar you can find royalty-free photos and images. So let's just say I wish to search for Meadows paintings. So all I have to do is just type here Meadows paintings, and then all I have to do is click here on enter, and here you can find Meadows related royalty-free images, paintings, videos and stuff like that. So let's just say I wish to use this image here. This looks like a nice image. This is how it looks, and this is important. Here you can see Pexabay license. Here you can see free to use under Pexabay license, no attribution required. And when we go here on Pexabay license, here you can see that you are free to use these images. But if you wish to use these images in commercial purposes, if you wish to sell them, then you must edit these images. That is really important. So what we need to do, we need to go back here and we need to click here on free download. And I will stick with these dimensions, but you can choose any of these dimensions. Click here on download and download this image. But like I said, you need to edit these images if you wish to sell them. So what you need to do, you need to go on a website called photofilters.com, and then here you see and then you need to click here on file and then click here on open, and you need to upload this image that you downloaded from Pexabay. Okay, this is the image, and here you can see you have basics. You can crop, resize, rotate and stuff like that. Here you can see you have filters, effects, distortions, so you can do all of this stuff. So I will stick for example with filters. And here you can choose different filters. So let's just say, for example, I will choose one of these negative, and this is how this looks. Okay, this is not the best. Let's just say art. Okay, art is better, but brownie. Okay, brownie actually looks pretty good. So let's just choose another one to see cross process. So give it a second. Okay, for me, brown looks better. Okay, brownie. This looks better. But like I said, you can choose any of these filters, distortions and effects. Now, after you are satisfied with the filters, what you can do, you need to click here on file and then click here on save image as, and save this image on your desktop, okay? But how do you actually make money with these images? What you can do is you can simply go on Etsy, and here you can search, for example, for paintings, okay? Okay, paintings. And here you can find lots of paintings, canvas, posters and stuff like that, as you can see here. And some of these are going for just $14, $32, but this one here, $599. And as you can see here, 1,060 people actually bought this painting here. So this guy made more than $500,000, almost $600,000 from selling this image here, this painting here. So you can make lots and lots of money just by selling paintings and images on Etsy. But what you actually need, but how do you actually sell images and paintings, canvas and stuff like that on Etsy? What you need to do, you need to go on a website called Printful, or you can use Printfy if you want. And you need to register for a free account. I personally use Teespring, Printful and Redbubble. And after you register for a free account on Printful, what you need to do, you need to click here on Design Maker, and you need to make your design. And here you need to scroll here and click on Home and Living, and then click here on Canvas Prints. That is really important because we are actually trying to sell this painting here, okay? And what you need to do, you need to choose one of these. So for example, let's just say this one with the frame, because that looks much better. It doesn't look like a spam, okay? And here I will just close this. And now you need to click here on design, okay? Click here, choose file, and you need to click here on upload file and upload the image that you edited in photo filters, okay? That is important. and click here, apply, give it a second, and I will just close this because I don't need that. And here I can actually reposition this so it looks much better. I will actually move it here so I can see entire dog and the girl, and this is how my painting will look like. And here you can see more options. Here you can see resources, pricing, how much you will charge for this photo, for this image, and stuff like that. But what you need to do after you make your image, after you make your canvas, you need to click here, sell with Printful, and then click here, Etsy. And here you can actually connect Printful with the Etsy, and you can start selling your paintings in Etsy. And now when someone comes here on Etsy and orders this painting, it will automatically be fulfilled by Printful. So you don't have to do anything, okay? You don't have to print this by yourself. You don't have to send this by yourself. You don't have to process this order. You don't have to do anything. Printful will do everything for you automatically. All you have to do is just make this design, as you can see here, upload it on Printful and connect Printful with Etsy, and all you have to do after that, just start promoting your Etsy store and you will start making sales. And if you optimize your store well, then Etsy will drive traffic to your store and you will start making sales. You will start making money online just by copying images. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.